Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new and this is your first time here, my name is Corinne. Today I'm going to be doing a cash envelope stuffing video with my second check from January. I have my breakdown here on which envelopes that I am going to be stuffing, and it's going to be 6 cash envelopes and 6 sinking funds. So I have my cash. I'm going to go ahead and this is just extra, it's not added. I'm gonna find a place for it when we're done, but we're gonna be stuffing a total of $383. So I've been working on the different envelopes, and I showed these in my last video. These are the ones that I have right now. I'm still trying to make new ones just to kind of figure out which ones I like the best. So if you stick around, you'll continue to see different ones. So for right now, I'm going to put my personal money in this envelope, and then I'll change it out as I make a new one. So for me, I will get $40 in my envelope. And I'll just sit that to the side. For couponing, we're gonna get $20. And I have 2 envelopes for the kids, so I'm going to go ahead and put couponing in here. And I'll just write down which envelope I put it in, and I will swap it out later. So this is for couponing. And I say couponing, but couponing can be anything related to the household that we need. Paper towels, detergent, anything like that. It's going to come out of this envelope. And the reason why it's only $20 is because I will coupon when there's great deals, when it's worth it. So I just combine this couponing money with the personal household money. So we'll put that to the side. So the next envelope that I have, it's eating out. We're not going to put anything in that envelope this time because we've kind of spent too much on eating out, so we're skipping that this go round. Okay, the next one is going to be gas, which I made a new envelope for gas. And gas gets $30. And while I'm working on making new envelopes, I've also decided that my sinking funds and the envelopes that stay at home, I wanted something new for them. So I bought these from Amazon. I really like the one with the confetti in it. And I was so excited that they had this one because another one I wanted was like $13 and it wasn't going to be back in stock until 2 weeks. So I actually found the 2 of these together for $11.99. So this is what I'll be using to keep my, I like this one for the sinking funds, and this one is going to be the cash envelopes that don't get carried, and they're going to be in a fireproof safe in our house. But I just wanted to show you guys these because I thought it was really cute. And if you are interested in getting your own, like I said, it was a 2-pack. I believe it was $11.99. That price can change at any time, but I believe that's what I paid for it. And I'll link that below so you can see it. So, and then this envelope here, this is going to be my new savings envelope. So I'll just put this to the side and we'll keep going. So did we add the gas? Oh yes, we added the gas, so that's there. Okay, focus. So the next one we're gonna stuff is the envelope for the kids. Now I said in a recent video that I save all of my $1 bills to go in the kids envelopes so that they can get lunch. So this is their envelope that I have right now. And I'll make them a new one because I do have a clear one. But let's see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9 and 10, that was over to the side. So that's going to go in the kids' envelope for their lunch. I still have $2 in there. So that'll be a total of 12. Okay. And then the next one is going to be groceries. So I have to make a new envelope for groceries as well. So right now we'll just put it over in the cart. Typically for groceries we budget $100 every 2 weeks for a family of 5. I've already bought groceries, so I'm only going to stuff $60 in it because we went to the store a couple of days ago and got groceries. So $60 is going there. I'm hoping by the next time I do a cash envelope video, I'll have my things in order. So I'm just gonna write on here. Doesn't show up very well, but I'll remember and I'll swap that out. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the sinking funds. So for business, which is anything that I use for my Etsy shop or for my sublimation business, anything business related, today it's gonna get $20, but when I do my next stuffing, that's gonna be boosted up to $40. Okay, so we'll put that over to the side. And then the next one is going to be car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to get $40. And car maintenance can be anything that we may need for a car, like heaven forbid we get a flat tire or oil change. Right now I have 6 free oil changes with the company that I got my car with. So that saves us some money, but we have more than one vehicle. So anything like car registration, this is what we use our car maintenance envelope for. Okay, and then the next envelope is grad school. If you watched my last video, I told you that my honey got accepted into grad school for psychology. So we're really excited about that, and we're saving for it because it can get kind of pricey. So that envelope is going to get $60. And he doesn't start until August, but the courses are every 8 weeks. So every 8 weeks we're going to have to pay. So that is why we are putting money aside now. And this time it's $60, but depending on if we get extra money or anything, then we'll put more in it. Okay, so next up is going to be my savings envelope, and this is any money that we're putting aside for savings. When it gets to be a certain amount, I'll go ahead and deposit that money over into our savings account. And this is one of the new envelopes that I recently made. I've still got to do some tweaking with it, but I kind of like that one so far. So let's see how much we have in there. Okay, there's actually $11 in there. I'm gonna set this dollar to the side because that's going to go in the kids envelope. And then we're just going to put $20 in here to add to the savings. Okay. And it's going to go back in its binder to be taken to the bank later. The next one is our emergency fund. That is going to get $20 this go round. And we still have money in it. have not spent any of it. If the envelope gets a little bit too full, or when it gets to a certain amount, that will also be deposited over into the savings account. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do this. $40. It's not going in an envelope, but that is going for our daughter's cell phone bill because that is due and we haven't paid it yet. So that is going to the side for her bill. And I have been doing the $5 savings challenge. That is every $5 bill that you get, you put it aside, you save it, and you don't spend it. You can do it for a year, 6 months, however long you decide to do it. So that's the way I do it. Just don't cheat. I know some people cheat sometimes and will just go to the bank and get a $5 worth of 20s. Don't do that. Just any $5 bill that you get when you go to the store, just save it. So that's going to be added to it. I'm not going to count it and see what's in it right now. I like to do a follow-up video every so often just to see how much we've saved and let you all in on that. So I'm going to start a new envelope and I'm putting it with the sinking funds just because it's going to be like a date night envelope. And the reason why it's going to be a sinking fund and not a cash envelope is because we typically don't have many date nights, but when we decide we're going to do something special, just the two of us, we may want something like just candles or massage oil, anything like that. We're just putting it to the side for like just a special little date night for us. So right now that is going to get $10 and there is an extra $10 left over. So I'm going to put that extra 10 over in savings because this was a $10 bill that I had in my wallet. I'm not sure where it came from. I just was going through my wallet and realized it was an extra 10. So instead of putting it in a random cash envelope, I thought it would be better served if I put it with the savings because that will help. So guys, that is it for this video and that's all that I have to stuff today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about our budget or any kind of comments, anything that can help me, please leave a comment down below. Please don't forget to like this video, and if you are new, subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video like this again. The next video that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be talking about the savings challenges that I'm doing for 2021. It's some exciting challenges. I'm excited to share those with you. So stick around so you don't miss that video in case you want to do some challenges yourself. And I will see you guys in the next one.